everyone. Today we are going to see the first impression of the Berry Bold gloss collection. This is these are scented glosses, so it came with three different colors. Let me show you one by one. So the first one is Valiant Vanilla. So it's like a vanilla caramel marshmallow scent. So I'm really excited. I know these what is like around this holiday time, anything they introduce, they will have either I know they have gumdrops, they have vanilla, they have caramel, a chocolate caramel. I think they had pumpkin or something like that, like peach they had. They obviously have peppermint. So here we have two more, which is cherry confident, which is going to be cherry scented, and berry bold is going to be berry scented. So we have three different colors, so you can pick anytime. You can pick as a collection, or you can pick them individually. These are little smaller in size. Let me show you a comparison. So this is our actual gloss size. You can see these are shadows and sizes, so they are little smaller. I think this is 0.25 ounce, whereas this is 0.20 ounce. So this was $20 usually, and this is $15 each. The first one we are going to see is the Valiant Vanilla. So this one is vanilla marshmallow scented. So this is for people who want like more of a nude shade, and you can pretty much top it on top of any of the browns, or anytime when you want like adding a tint of gold glitter to it, then this will be your go-to. So this is just like a sparkling gold glitter gloss, and it feels like you are eating a vanilla cream cookie, like the stuffed cream cookies. That's how it feels. But this is not going to add ton of color, but at the same time you can see how what is it, like shiny it is. So you can pretty much top with these kind of glosses on any color, like even on a red this will look really well, because if you had a matte red like red lantern, fly girl, or even crimson, topping it is going to subtle the color a little bit, but add tons of glitters to it. So I really like the gloss. So let me go over the next two darker ones. The next one is Cherry Confident. This is going to be a matte finish red and berry scented. So far we never had matte red. If you have seen, we had mauve, we had browns, but never a red. Can you believe this is just a gloss? There is no color beneath it, and it's matte. So anyone who's what is it, like a lover for glosses, like a quick get ready, then this should be in yours, because this will be part of your any quick get ready ones, like how I do, like under 5 minutes. Like you just need like a barely there CCTM one eye color, and then this gloss. That's all, you are all set for the party. The one thing you need to remember is end of day it's just a gloss, so it will smudge or it will get absorbed. But if you are looking for like just transitioning to red and you never tried, this is an easy way, because here it is something you can top it on top of a color, like if you have nude honey, nude pink, any of the nude colors, you can even just top it with it. Instead of going for a red lip sense, you can even try this gloss first for you to get comfortable with the red, and then you can move to a red lip sense itself. But this will be pretty on all our skin tone, and also it is like a matte lip color. So for a first time having a matte lip red gloss with Senegens, I really love it. So the last one is here, the Berry Bold. You can see even though it's a bright red, it didn't stain my lips at all. So unless it's a coral pH gloss, I mean not any pH gloss, it's not going to stain your lips at all. So that's one thing I wanted to mention. And also the cherry is not overpowering scented. In fact, I felt the marshmallow one had more scent than the cherry one. The cherry one I barely noticed. Let's see how the berry one is going to be. I'm sure this one will be most of favorite, because I know my group is more into berry tones, obviously, like the plum and other things. So this is very bold. You can see this is another thing I always quote. So with the glosses, this is like barely there one coat. But if you want to make it, what is it, like more bold, you can obviously top it with 2 or 3 layers for even the gloss. So for me, when I have to take pictures, I need to go 2 or 3 layers for the color to show up. But if you are what is it, like if you don't want it to be bold, you can do like a very thin layer just to seal like a color or something. All 3 glosses you can pretty much use to seal it a color, how you do with the glossy gloss or something. So that is another possibility. You can either wear the glasses on its own, or you can use it to top on any Lipson's colors. This is like galaxy glitter without the glitter. That's how it feels. So they both will be really close to each other, I feel, or even the Mystic Berry will be really close to this. Maybe Mystic Berry will have a little bit of reddish tint, but this is more into plum. We used to have one from the I think from the mini glosses when it came in I think 2021 to 19 Christmas, they introduced like a minis. I think one of the colors used to be closer to that, but that's a sold out color. So these two, all 3 are really nice to top it on any Lipson's colors, I would say. Now that everybody wears Amore or Madeira Topaz, this kind of color will go really well on those colors to enhance it into more purpley shade. In the even Charmed will look really nice with this gloss. So anytime once you have your starter kit, you can always add either the glosses or the Lipson's colors or the remover. It's up to you on how you want to mix and match. And when you are creating layering or pre-mixing combo, having these kind of colors will really help you to achieve whatever color you're tending to create. So this is a nice, I would say this collection itself is a nice combo, because you have one lighter shade with like gold glitters, one is like a perfect matte shade, whereas one is like a glossy finish and a darker. So it has a color for every person, I would say, because each person's how do you call it, like liking can be different, and also the occasions can be different on when you wear them. So for me, if you ask, this will be more of my everyday shade, whereas this will be like perfect for a date night or going out with girlfriends, whereas this is perfect for a party look. Like anytime I'm wearing a red or even a kiss for a cause, I can still top it with a gold glitter, so that it's going to be a perfect evening wear. So that's the collection. I hope you liked it. And it came with this beautiful berry velvet bag. As usual, you can see it holds so much, and it comes with this beautiful tassels. And you can always pick anytime when you it comes as a collection, you can pick them individually or as a collection. So that's it for the first impression. You all have a wonderful day.